the wavelength of the visible spectrum extends from violet 400 nanometer to red 750 nanometer. Express these wavelength in the frequencies here. So first we will write about the wavelength for the violet here. So wavelength, it is denoted by lambda here. Okay, I'm going to write here V for the wavelength of the violet here, which is equals to 400 nanometer. Since it has been given in the nanometer, we need to convert to the meter. So for that, I'm going to multiply it by 10 raised to the power -9, and it's becoming a meter now. Okay, now by using this, they're asking us to calculate the frequency, which is in a hertz. Okay, now frequency is denoted by nu, which is equals to question mark, and we have to express in the hertz here. Okay, now how we are going to calculate this? For this, I'm going to use the formula, that is C, velocity of the light, which is equals to product of the this frequency and wavelength, that is frequency, and here wavelength of the violet here. Okay, now I'm going to rearrange the formula for the frequency here. So I'll be having nu, which is equals to C over lambda V here. Now what is the C value we are having? That is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per or over second here. Now this value I'm going to write here, that is 400 into 10 raised to the power -9 meter here. Now from this meter it will get cancelled here, and when I'll divide, so here what I'm going to do, 3 I'm going to divide by 400. After dividing, I'll be getting as 0.0075 into this, shifting to the numerator. When I'll shift, it will become +9, and 8 and 9 after addition I'll be getting that as a 17 here. Now second goes to the numerator, and we'll be having per second here. Now see here, I'm going to shift this decimal point after the 3 digit, like 1 2 3, so I'll be having 7.5. So when I've shifted to right side, what we have to do, we have to subtract from this -3, so I'll be getting that is 14. Okay, now since the frequency we have to express in hertz, okay, and we know that 1 per second, which is equals to 1 hertz, right? So simply I'm going to write here hertz. Okay, so this value we found for the frequency for the violet. Okay, let me write here like this. In the same question, wavelength of the red has been given. Okay, that is I'm going to denote by lambda and r for the red, which is equals to 750 nanometer. Since again it is in the nanometer, let me convert to the meter. So in that case, I'm going to multiply it by 10 raised to the power 9 nanometer here. Now by using this value, they're asking us to calculate the frequency for the red here, which is equals to question mark. Again the same formula we are going to apply here, that is this one. Okay, now I'm going to rearrange the formula, nu r, which is equals to C by wavelength of the red here. Now let me substitute C, which is fixed value, that is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter over second, and here this the wavelength value, that is 750 into 10 raised to the power -9 into here meter. Okay, I have to write only meter. This meter it will get cancelled here. 3 over 750 after division, I'll be getting 0.004, and here it goes and it becomes 17 and per second. Now I'm going to shift 3 digits, so I'll be having 4.0 10 raised to the power 14 converted to hertz here. So this is the value for the frequencies of the red. Okay.